Hello guys, this is Gaurav Terwadkar. Today in this session I am going to express my thought on propositional logic. Means in other words it's called as logic gates. So our main motto in today's session is PCNF and PDNF. Means what is PCNF and what is PDNF? PCNF means we will see it step by step. So let's start our session. I think okay. So this is discrete mathematics concept, and in this subject means in this concept, the first topic is propositional logic, means logic gate. So I am showing you some example of PCNF and PDNF. So this is the example of PCNF and PDNF. Means negation P or negation Q implies P double implies Q. Okay. So we will solve this example later. First, we take a concept of what is PCNF and what is PDNF. So let's check what is PCNF. As you see on my screen, PCNF stands for Principal Conjective Normal Form. Means it refers product of sum. Means as you see here, P plus Q plus R means sum, and as you see here, multiple sign is shown. Means this is the sum of three sets, means brackets, but in other words we say sets. Means product of this sum of PQR in other versions. Means here we got the idea, means product of sums. I think you understood. So in other words, PCNF is called a product of sums. But in logic gates, means propositional logic, the AND sign is also called as product sign. Means AND sign is also called as product sign. So we will discuss it later, but now you concentrate on the only product of sums. So this is PCNF. Now we take PDNF. Okay. PDF is also same, but it opposite of PCNF. Means PDNF stands for Principal Disjunctive Normal Form. As you see here, conjunctive, and here disjunctive. So it refers to the sum of products. Okay. So SOP. For example, PQR are the variables. PQR are the variables, and here here in example PQR, P multiplies Q multiplies R is shown, and of these three sets they add these three sets, means sum of products. Here products, here they add these products, means sum of products. In other words, PDNF is called as sum of products. Okay. And here is the example. Here plus sign is used. Sum is the main operator. Okay. And here you see, so where is PCNF? Here dot sign means product sign is product is the main operator. Okay. I forgot to tell you that it might be confused the part, but key difference between PCNF and CNF is not so much difference. Little bit, but not so much difference. PCNF and CNF are both are same. Only some little changes are here. Little changes are required. Okay. And example size is also not be considered. Here three PQR are three variables used. You can use only two variables, four variables, and same in this PDNF. Okay. PDNF also same. An example size is not matter here. Here you use 3 variable, 2 variable, 4 variable, and much more. Okay. Just remember one thing: plus is a main operator, means OR gate is a main operator, and in PCNF product means AND gate is a main operator. Okay, understood? So now we start our example process. Okay, explanation. So here is our example as you see in start. Let's. This is the example, same example, but we did what? We did it some changes. Okay, means here P and Q and negation P or Q. Okay, as you understand. Okay, so next step, negation P goes inside and it becomes P and Q, and means here we use some formulas, uh, basic laws, means identity law, domination law, double negation law. Same law here we use the law which is named as De Morgan's law. Okay, De Morgan's law, sorry, definition of implication we use here. We use here in this example we use definition of implication. Here you see implication. Okay, so from this we get this. Now next step, no changes this, but only you see here we got V means OR gate, and as you know OR gate is also called as sum. So this is PDNF. As you see, sum is a main operator. So OR is a main operator. So it is a PDNF, means principal disjunctive normal form. Okay, understood? Now next step, here is the next step. Okay, P and P goes inside and it becomes a P only, and OR Q or negation Q, it become here false and it goes P and negation Q, it become a false and it goes. Now here by the law of implication, De Morgan's law, here this P and negation P become 1, and P and P or negation P become 1 set, and P or negation P or Q become 1. So as we get here, and P and negation P is become false, and after some tricky calculation we got this output means P and Q, and due to AND sign it become a product, and due to product this is PCNF, means principal conjunctive normal form. Okay, understood? So there is no much difference PCNF and there are much more no much difference, only they are opposite in sign. PCNF is product and PDNF is a sum. Understood? So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. We will meet you in other next classes. Thank you.